Hello and welcome to Brighton Maths at Home. Today we're going to have a little look at some maths to do with number bonds, but we're going to move our number bond skills beyond 10 and we're going to move up to 20. To start with, to help make this easier, and this is the way you could make it easier as well, I'm going to draw some 10 frames. I'm going to do nice big ones, you'll see why in a minute. So, a 10 frame is literally just a box with enough space for 10 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But because we're going up to 20, I'm going to draw two 10 frames because we know that two 10s makes 20. Into my 10 frame, I'm going to put some little men. Can you help me with this, youngest son? So if we try and put a little man in each one, I don't know whether I've made it too small at the bottom here. Once we've filled our 10 frames up with people, I might do them all on their side and then it'll all be the same. Once we've filled our 10 frames up with people, youngest son, how many will we have? How many do we have then?
20.
We have 20. Right, now, what's going to happen is a cheeky monkey is going to take some away. I'm going to hide the missing number and I'm going to challenge my youngest son to find out how many have been taken. And we're also then going to think about how we're going to put it right. So you have to close your eyes and no peeking. Here comes my cheeky little puppet friend. He's going to take some away. Right, I'll help you a bit there because it's a bit tricky. Right. Okay, and open your eyes, youngest son.
4 have been taken away.
I want you to write that as a number sentence.
Okay.
So if you can write it, come round here maybe and write it. How many did we start with?
20.
And how many do you think were taken away?
4.
And how many are left?
16.
So at any stage, your child can use the 10 frames to help them work out what's happening. We can see 4 are missing. That's where the 4 came from. We know there were 20. That's where the 20 came from. And to work out what's left, we can see that as well. We are aiming for children to know all these facts, to know that if I start with 20 and 4 are taken away, I'll end up with 16. But this is a good way to actually get there, to practice that and to find it out. I'm going to write your number sentence slightly differently because I'm going to write it in a long line like this. Starting with 20, taking away 4, and ending with 16. Now, we have a problem. My puppet is not allowed to take away, it's not allowed to steal 4 men. So what does he need to do to put it right? Let's write a number sentence about putting it right. How many have we got at the moment?
We've got 16.
What does he need to do to put things right, to get things back where they should be?
Add 4.
He needs to add 4. And if he adds 4, how many will be left?
20.
20 will be left. Right. Let's give that one more go. Would you like to be the cheeky monkey? You'll have to use your hand to help. I'm going to close my eyes this time and I'm going to write number sentences that go with this cheeky monkey taking some of them away. Cheeky monster, I should say. Tell me when some have gone.
Done.
Okay. So I know that we started with 20. I know that we don't have 20 because some are missing. I can see that there's one missing there, one missing there, and one missing there. Now to make this look a bit more, and one missing there. I'm going to start filling up these gaps so that the numbers are. Now that's very interesting because there are actually 4 missing. So I know 4 have been taken away. And it's good to repeat numbers. So that was a good choice for my youngest son because this is when we start by repeating it, we start to learn it. 20 take away 4 is 16. And of course, if I've got 16, I've got to tell that naughty puppet, you need to put back, we need to add back 4 to get back to 20. So can we get back to that, please? Thank you, Mr. Puppet. Very cheeky. Right, one more go and you're going to close your eyes this time. Right, see how this one's a bit different. This time the puppet's going to take quite a lot away. That's right, you put them down there. Oh, he's going to take all of those. All of those. He's going to take all of those. Right, open your eyes. Can you write a number sentence that describes what's happening, starting with a full box? So how many were there when they were all there?
20.
And then some got taken away. How many got taken away?
13.
13 got taken away. And what were we left with?
Well, 10, 9, 7.
Ah, you can count back. So my youngest son did there was he realised that starting with 20, taking away 10 gets us to 10. And then he took away the 3. 10, 9, 8, 7. That's one way to do it. You can also use your number bonds. If you know you've gone down to 10 and 3 have got missing, we should know how many are there. How many are there?
7.
Because 7 and 3 make 10. So we've got our number bonds of 10 as part of our answer to the number bonds to 20. But that's not all right to leave it like that. So what does my puppet need to do to put things right? We've only got 7 at the moment, so write down 7, please. What does my puppet need to write down 7 here, please? What does he need to do to put things right, to get things back where they should be?
He needs to add 13.
So he needs to add 13, which he's going to do. While he's doing that, can you write the number sentence? If he adds back 13, that's 3, 4. How many will there be?
20.
There'll be 20. So this is a really nice little way to investigate. It's really an activity that you can do when your child doesn't know the number bonds of 20 yet, hasn't quite got there, and it's a way that they can find them out. Now, there he is. Once your child gets a bit better at this, you can take away the 10 frame and you could play the game just with 20 figures and take some away and work out. Let's see whether my youngest can work out. Right, actually, you do it with the eyes closed. Right, now you've got to work out how many I've taken. There were 20.
So that's 16.
So how many have I got here?
And 16, 17, 24.
So you counted on from 16 to find out I had 4 left. We're actually aiming for you to know. If we have 16, then what goes with 6 to make
4.
10? So we should start to know that 16 add 4 is 20. And now you could write the number sentences to go with that as well, but that would be the next step. Anyway, enjoy.